This is the third time that I'm doing this file. What's up, everyone? Today we are going to make some hats. Doing right there, and we're also doing some decals. I have to redo this because it's wrong. So that's what we got going on. So let's get it.
I don't wanna take you home with me. I don't get what you're saying, all of these games you're playing.
This is the third time that I'm doing this file, and it keeps stopping. I don't know why. I don't know why it's stopping, but it's just stopping out of nowhere. It's embroidering pretty good. I lower the stitch count right now just to make it not stop so much, hopefully. It still stopped, but I don't know. I gotta let it embroider, and then I have to see how it's gonna come out. But we're doing this, so let's get it.
I don't wanna take you home with me.
Alright, so this last one embroidered a little bit better. I think the file is all ready to go. So we're gonna use that file, but this is it for me today. We'll see you on the next one. Tomorrow we're gonna continue those hats, and we're probably gonna do a sign. So let's be ready for that. So this is it for me today. We'll see you on the next one.